What are you girls doing? Is it snack time? Well, this is day 3. And they seem to be doing pretty good. She wants to go lay an egg. Got one laying down. There's the one that's got no feathers on her back. You're always over here. And then, is it this? It's one of the other ones. I think it's got a bare spot on the side of her. So I gotta keep an eye on it too. Well, it looks like you girls knocked a little bit of your dirt off. You still need a bath. Of course, that's the oldest one. Did you just lay an egg? Huh? Did you pay your rent? So they're looking pretty good. So I'm gonna wait till this is only day 3, so probably next weekend I might try and let them out of the cages in here. Whenever I do that, I do not let my other birds free range while I'm doing that, because I need to know they can get along in here together. So normally what I do is I'll stay inside here for a little bit with them just to watch and keep an eye on them. So if anybody gets into a serious fight, I can put that bird back in the kennel and try again another time. So I normally, when they graduate from the kennel to inside the run out here, I usually do that for a couple days. As long as nobody's seriously injured anybody, then after that I start free ranging them. Because I want to make sure they know to come back in here. This is where their food and water is. Well, see? That one got you. They're not afraid, but then again, they've been fighting with roosters, so I'm sure they're going to have a little bit of an attitude. Huh, baby girls? It's nap time. Huh? I'll find you a comfy spot. And we'll go pick them some more grass. I've been throwing grass in there a few times a day. And then they got their mealworms, crushed oyster shells, feed, scratch. They've got everything in there. And this last time when I changed their waterers, I put apple cider vinegar in it. So the next time I think I'm going to do the vitamins. And then after that, the garlic. And I just alternate that like that with my other girls too. Because you never know, each bird's different. You never know which one needs what. So I figure if I just keep rotating what I put in them, they'll all get everything within the week. That's just my theory. Okay, y'all take your nap. I know, it's nappy time. Nappy time. The girls are doing good. A little breezy out here. Yeah, a little breezy. Bernice, you gonna say hi? You gonna say hi, my little roly-poly? There's my Maggie. Did you go say hi? Huh? Of course, Pumpkin is in the box. She's still pretty. Okay, girls, I'm gonna come down here. This afternoon I gotta come down and change out the waterers and get everything washed out.